Hi friends, welcome to IAS with Santosh. In today's lecture, I am going to discuss a very important PYQ theme which is getting repeated in the prelims examination year after year. And using that PYQ theme discussion, I am going to give you one question which is going to come in the prelims examination 2025. Guys, in the last 5 years, every year one question is coming from this PYQ theme. This is the most important PYQ theme in Indian polity, and every aspirant who is sincerely preparing for the prelims examination must prepare this PYQ theme. Let me show you what is that PYQ theme and what are the PYQs. So first I'm going to show you the PYQs, and then I'm going to give you the reason why this question comes and why this year there will be a definite question on this topic, guys. So you can see here, this question came in 2019. You can see this is a 2019 question. Which article of the Constitution of India safeguards one's right to marry to person of one's choice? Okay, so basically they are asking which fundamental right is basically guaranteed by your right to marry your own choice. Okay, and you can see this, guys, this was directly taken from the Supreme Court judgment. You can see here, right to marry a person of one's choice is integral part to right to life and liberty. Okay, so this is the answer is what? Article 21. Okay, so directly from the Supreme Court judgment. This was 2018, I think, judgment, and the UPSC asked the question in 2019. Let me show you again. Okay, so this question, guys, again you can see this is 2024 question. Under which of the following articles of the Constitution of India has the Supreme Court placed a right to privacy? This again comes from Supreme Court verdict on right to privacy. Guys, this is a very important verdict of Supreme Court, and these days we are talking about the privacy law in India. Therefore, in 2024 UPSC again asked this question. Again the answer is Article 21. So whenever Honorable Supreme Court has expanded the scope of Article 21, it has been asked both in the prelims examination and in the mains examination. In the mains examination also multiple times they have asked about the expansion of scope of Article 21, which is right to life and liberty. So guys, this year there are two important judgments which can be asked by the UPSC question setters is about Article 21 expansion. But before that, guys, if you have not joined my Telegram channel, please do join my Telegram channel. Every day I give a lot of predictions, important predictions for the UPSC prelims examination, and for the next 7 days, every day I'll be giving you very important topics which can come in the prelims examination on the 25th of May. And if you want to contact me, you can telegram me on these two numbers. Okay, so with this, guys, let me show you. So recently Supreme Court has given a very important judgment where Supreme Court has said that digital access is part of your fundamental right to life. Okay, so you have what? You have right to digital access. Right to digital access. Okay. Why, guys? Because, guys, today's world, what we see that whether you take any service, okay, basic service like education, okay, education or food through PDS, okay, or health. If you see, all the services of the government are getting linked to Aadhaar and e-governance. So in this scenario, don't you think that every Indian or every citizen should have what? Right to digital access also. Okay, right to digital access also, because without that, how will they access those services? Therefore, Honorable Supreme Court has said that digital access is part of your fundamental right to life, which is Article 21. Article 21. So again you can see same question can be framed here. You can see here same question can be framed here. Similar question they will frame. Just what they will do is that, okay, they will say here digital access is protected under which article? Article 21. Okay, let me again give you another important judgment which is very important. Okay, so another judgment which Supreme Court had given, okay, last year was right against climate change. Okay, so we all have right against impact of climate change, and Supreme Court has traced this to two fundamental rights, which is Article 21 and Article 14. Article 21 is right to life and liberty, and Article 14 is about right to equality. So these two important judgments have very high probability to appear in the prelims examination. Please do prepare. This is the most important theme in the UPSC prelims examination. I have given you the logic also. Whenever there is a Supreme Court judgment, they will frame this question. Whenever there is a Supreme Court judgment, they will frame this question. So don't you think now we have two important Supreme Court judgments? Don't you think that they are going to definitely they are going to frame a question on this, guys? Digital access. What is right to digital access? Under which fundamental right this is protected? Definitely, guys, is going to ask. Okay, they are going to ask. Guys, if you like this kind of PYQ analysis, guys, for 2025, I have made a lot of predictions using this PYQ analysis. You can attempt these predicted questions in this week. Okay, in this week you can attempt that. Or if you're preparing for 2026, if suppose you're preparing for 2026, guys, I am mentoring aspirants for the prelims examination 2026. Every day I am giving 10 important questions. Every day I am giving 10 important questions. You can see here 10 important questions which are linked to PYQs, which are linked to current affairs, and which are linked to the recent pattern of UPSC integrating the elimination techniques. So if you solve these 10 questions every day, guys, in a year you will be solving around 300 questions. 300 questions for the prelims examination 2026, which are all current affairs based, plus the PYQ linkage, plus recent pattern, okay, plus elimination technique. Further, guys, in this batch I am also going to give you static test to master the static part of the syllabus, plus I am also going to analyze last 25 years PYQs. So guys, if you are preparing for 2026, or if your friends are preparing for 2026, please do tell them this is a unique opportunity to get guided by someone who has cracked the prelims examination 6 out of 6 times and has the record of scoring one of the highest marks in the prelims examination. Start early. If you're preparing for 2026, my request is start early. The person who start early has an edge over other aspirants. Guys, if you like this video, if you like this analysis, please do consider, please do consider liking this video, and please join this Telegram channel, guys. Lot of topics I'm going to predict in the next 7 days. This is going to be very, very useful. Next 7 days, I can tell you guys, I can help you boost your score by 10-20 marks easily. Every year, you know, I still remember in 2023 prelims examination, in the morning, exam morning, okay, at 6 a.m. somewhere in my Telegram channel, I gave a lot of predictions, and at least 3 to 4 questions came directly in the morning I gave. And this year also, guys, for the next 7 days, I'll be totally guiding you. Please do join this Telegram channel, and please do consider liking and sharing this video to your friends who are preparing for prelims examination. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye. Take care.